Hi students, today we are going to see chapter 2 polynomials. Okay, so first of all let us discuss about what is polynomials. An algebraic expression of the form p of x is equal to a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on up to a1x plus a naught. We call this algebraic expression to be as a polynomial, where this a naught, a1 and a2, all these values, okay, these are the constants, and the last, that is an, it should not be equal to 0. An must not be equal to 0. So this is called the polynomials. This a naught, a1, a2, a3, all these values are called the coefficients. Okay, and what is the powers? This n we call that to be as power. For example, if you just consider the polynomial 5x square plus 2x plus 3. This is a polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, so the degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, so if you just consider this example, 5x square plus 2x plus 3, it can be a quadratic polynomial or a cubic polynomial. For example, you can also say that to be a 7x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So if you just consider this cubic polynomial, these are some examples. Okay, so I'm just giving some examples of the polynomials. Okay, I'm just giving some examples of the polynomials. So all this coefficients 7, 3, 2 are the coefficients, and the degree is nothing but the highest degree. In this expression, the highest degree is 3. So in this polynomial, the highest degree is 2. Now let us move towards the next concept. The next we are going to see about the monomial, binomial, trinomial. So what is monomial? Monomial means a term which has only, a polynomial has only one term is called monomial. For example, if you just consider 5x. Okay, so this is a monomial. So it consists of only one term. Okay, next one we are going to discuss about binomial. So what is binomial? Binomial consists of two terms. For example, we can say that it is 5x square plus 2. Okay, next trinomial. Trinomial, this consists of three terms. Example, you can have 2x cube plus 5x plus 1. Next we are going to discuss about degree of a polynomial. So what is the degree of a polynomial? If you consider 7x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 9, here which is the highest degree? The highest degree is 4. So the highest degree is 4. Okay, so the highest power of the variable, so the highest power we call that to be as a degree of a polynomial. So what do you mean by degree of a polynomial? The highest power we call that to be as a degree of a polynomial. Okay, the highest power we call that to be as degree of a polynomial. So in this polynomial, the highest power is 4. Can you guess what is the degree of a polynomial 7x plus 1? Of course it is 1, because the highest degree is 1. We are going to discuss about linear, quadratic, linear polynomial. So what do I mean by linear polynomial? So linear polynomial in the sense that a polynomial having the degree to be as 1. If we have the polynomial of degree to be 1, we call that to be as linear polynomial. For example, 5x. So this is a polynomial, whereas the degree is 1. Okay, x plus 2. So here the degree is 1. We are going to discuss about quadratic polynomial. So what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial, the degree will be 2. Okay, the quadratic polynomial degree will be 2. For example, you just consider 2x square plus 7. So the degree is something, the degree of a constant polynomial is 0. For example, constant polynomial. If you just consider constant polynomial, if you just consider the constant polynomial, say 5. Okay, 5 is a constant polynomial. Here the degree is 0. There is no x terms, isn't it? So the degree will be in the constant polynomial, the degree will be 0. In the constant polynomial, degree will be 0. Now let us move towards the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, the very first question, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? So which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable? One variable in the sense that the question, it must have only one variable, say x or y or z, whatever variables, it should be only one. Which or not? Okay, you should say there are totally 5 subdivisions are given. In this, which polynomial is having only one variable, which is not having? State reason for your answer. So you have to say, give the reason, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not. So you have to give the reasons also. If it is not, you have to give the reasons. So solution, first part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay, so this expression is of course a polynomial of degree x, because we are having the variable is x. There is a single variable is presented. Okay, so this expression is a polynomial of one variable. Okay, polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable x, because this expression, there is only one variable, that is only one variable is presented, x is presented. Okay, x மட்டும்தான present ஆயிருக்கு, வேற ஏதாவது y அந்த மாதிரி terms எதுவுமே present ஆகல. So only one variable is presented, so this is a polynomial of variable x. So what is the reason we can give? Because in the expression there is only one variable x, and of course the other important thing you have to see is you have to check the powers, the degrees. Okay, so that degrees should be whole number, all the degrees, so the degrees should be whole number. So here the degree are 2 and here the degree is 1. Okay, so 2, 1 are whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so the degree should be whole numbers, that is the indices should be whole number. Here of course the degrees are whole number, so there is only one variable, and we can say that all the indices in the sense that all the indices are whole numbers. Okay, so this is the answer for first subdivision. Next, moving towards the second subdivision. The second subdivision is y square plus root 2. One variable y is presented. So this is polynomial of one variable. So this expression is polynomial of one variable. Polynomial of one variable. So this expression is polynomial in one variable, and what is that variable? One variable y. Okay, and look the indices, all the indices are whole numbers. Okay, so all the indices are whole numbers. Just consider the power is 2, so it is a whole number. This root 2 is a constant. Okay, the next third subdivision, 3 root t plus t root 2. So here 3 root t. So what is root t? Root t we can write it as t power half plus t root 2. This root 2 is a constant. Don't bother about this constant. Okay. T power half. Here this is a polynomial in one variable, but look the indice, that is the power. It is not a whole number. Is 1 by 2 is a whole number? No. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Okay. So this expression is not, this expression is not polynomial because the degree of t is not a whole number, is not a whole number. Okay. The next subdivision 4, y plus 2 by y. So just look here, we are having one variable, only y is presented, so one variable is there, but 2 by y we can write it as 2y power minus 1. Is minus 1 is a whole number? No. So minus 1 is not a whole number. So this expression is not a polynomial. So this expression is not a polynomial because the power of y, the power or degree, so the power of y is minus 1, which is not a whole number, which is not a whole number. Okay. Next, fifth subdivision, x power 10 plus y cube plus t power 50. Is it a expression? Is it a polynomial of one variable? No, definitely no, because we have three variables. X is a variable, y is a variable, t is a variable. So we have three variables. So this expression is not a polynomial. So this expression is not a polynomial of one variable, polynomial of one variable because three variables are presented. Three variables are presented. Okay. Next, moving towards the second question. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So we have to write the coefficient of x square. First, consider the first question, the first part of the question, 2 plus x square plus x. So what do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient of x, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, so the coefficient of x square is 1. Next, second subdivision, 2 minus x square plus x cube. So here the coefficient of x square is, what is the coefficient of x square? Here is also 1, but we have minus sign, so the answer is minus 1. Next, third subdivision, pi by 2 x square plus x. So what is the coefficient of x square? It is pi by 2. So coefficient of x square equal to pi by 2. Next, fourth one, square root of 2x minus 1. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? First of all, we have to see whether x square is presented or not. X square inge iruka? Illa. So the coefficient of x square is 0. Okay. Next, moving towards the third question. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35. So binomial means it has two terms. Okay, it has two terms of degree 35. So we have to give an example of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. Monomial means it has only one term. So solution, an example for binomial of degree 35. So binomial means we should have two terms. Okay, so binomial of degree 35. So we can give any example. So for example, x power 35 plus 2. So this is a binomial because we have two terms of degree 35. Next, an example for monomial of degree 100. So monomial of degree 100, you can give any examples. Okay, let me give 5x power 100. So this is a monomial which is of degree 100. The next, first part, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. We have to write the degree for each of the following polynomials. The first part is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. So what is the degree? Which is the highest degree? Highest degree is 3. Highest degree is 3. Next, second question, 4 minus x square, 4 minus y square. So here the highest degree is 2. Next, third subdivision, 5t minus root 7. Here the highest degree is 1. Fourth subdivision, 3. So this is a constant polynomial. So what is the highest degree? Highest degree, this is 0. Okay, we already discussed that the degree of a constant polynomial is 0. So the answer is 0. Next, fifth question, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So we have to say which is linear, which is quadratic and which is cubic. So the first part, x square plus x. So consider the degree of a polynomial. So the degree is 2. So the answer is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Second one, x minus x cube. Here which is the highest degree? Highest degree is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Next, third one, y plus y square plus 4, quadratic. So quadratic polynomial. The next, fourth subdivision, 1 plus x. Here the highest degree is 1. So it is linear. Linear. Fifth one, 3t. Here the highest degree is 1. So this is linear. Next, sixth one, r square. Here the highest degree is 2. So it is quadratic. Next, seventh subdivision, 7x cube. So here the highest degree is 3. So it is cubic. Thank you for watching, students.